This lens comes from an Olympus Ace camera. Forced me to make a system for determining the infinity distance, which is working very nice. I will use this rail for coming lenses. You can make very sharp images with this lens. The downside is the aperture starts at f5.6. Focus is very short. Not a bad lens at all, but I will grab him, not that much I know now already. During my test session, I wanted to get closer to the subject, but that was not possible. That time I was not that good with macro rings and such.